Good day, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna focus on an engineering science and 4. Without waste of time on an engineering science and 4, we're gonna focus on the first chapter. On the first chapter, we have to learn on how to calculate the resultant velocity, relative velocity on the projectiles. But on today's lesson, I'm gonna show you all guys on how to calculate the relative velocity. Now the question here, before the waste of time, guys, the question here says a relative velocity. A plane Q flies at 250 kilometers per hour east. Okay, you can just simply highlight that. Well, the velocity of plane B is 210, going where? West, 53 degrees south. Okay, now meaning if we have to draw it before we can get to the question over here, let me just draw it for you guys. It simply say we have north here, south, east and west. We have the one of Q flies 250 east, so meaning it goes to this direction, of which we're gonna say Q equals to 250 kilometers per hour. It goes to the east side. And now we have a plane P, it comes over the southwest. How many degrees? 53 degrees. So P equals to 210 kilometers per hour. Okay, those are our direction. But remember here, we have to read the question and understand it. It says determine the relative velocity of P to Q. Okay, I'll just give you two options. Option 1 this side, option 2 on the other side. Just say option 1. On an option 1, we can just simply say apply this method of sum of vertical equals to. Now remember, they say calculate the relative velocity of P to A. Now in this case here, we are going to say in a vertical position, we are going to say velocity of P minus the velocity of Q. Hope guys we are clear on that one, because the question here is just straightforward, P to Q. Okay, of which now we have to do it this way, because this question is so simple, straightforward here. Okay, now of which we're going to say in a vertical position equals to, what is the velocity of P? The velocity of P now here in a vertical position, it goes to another direction. So meaning now here we're gonna say P is it goes in a vertical position, right? So about that, it goes down is minus 210 sine 53 minus, now Q is 0, of which we have to get, we're gonna get if you punch it on your calculator, 210 sine of 53, it gives us 167. So in fact the answer is negative, but now we're gonna have to write 167,713 kilometers per hour, because it's the negative in south direction. Okay, then now we say sum of the horizontal equals to velocity of P in a horizontal position minus the velocity of Q, of now equals to, in a horizontal position now we have to check on what? P and Q. So now there goes P in a horizontal position, it goes to the west side, of which it has to be negative 210. Now is cos. So about that, cos 53 into brackets minus now the velocity of Q, which it goes to the east side, so meaning now it becomes 250, which is how much we get, So meaning now, looking at here, we're gonna get punching it on your calculator. We're gonna get also negative 3766,38381 kilometers per hour. The direction it goes to the west side. Okay, but now remember here the question was only say apply calculate the relative velocity. Okay, then now we're gonna say relative velocity of P to Q equals to square root. You're gonna apply Pythagoras theorem because in simple term distance they're gonna form a triangle. We're gonna say bracket 167,713 bracket squared plus brackets 376,381 squared, of which now we have to get 412,057 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's the first option. Okay, so now let's go for the second option, guys. Second option, let me say option 2. On an option 2, guys, here, listen carefully here. Let's say here is our starting point. The other one, it goes to this direction at what? 250 kilometers per hour, of which we say is Q equals to that. Now the other one, remember, that was directly where? East. The other one, it comes this side, guys, here, of which is P equals to how much? It's 210. Yet the angle here is 53 degrees. So, meaning, if this one goes to this direction, from our starting point there, it comes this side, we can just simply close it here. It forms a shape. Now, on that shape here, we have to count here. We have to get this angle over here. So, meaning, to get our angle there, our angle here has to be 90 degrees plus. Now, plus how much? Plus 37. It gives us total of 127. So 127 degrees. So meaning now velocity of P to Q equals to square root brackets 250 squared plus 210 squared minus 2 brackets 210 250 cos 127. Okay, of which now equals to 412,057 kilometers per hour. So guys, meaning here we have two options. Either you go with option 2 or you go with option 1. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate that. If you do like, just like and subscribe. I thank you guys.